Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an About Us page in Shopify. Let's get started. So first things first, you're going to find yourself at the Shopify homepage. And the first step you want to do is you want to navigate to online store. Now, once you're in the online store, you want to navigate slightly down and click pages right here. Top right corner, you want to click add page. Now we're going to name this page About Us. Here you can write whatever it is. We are super cool. And then you just click save. All right, now comes the most interesting part about how to get this About Us page in your top menu. So for this, we're gonna click on navigation right underneath the pages. Once you're here, you're gonna click on main menu right here. All right, so once you've done this, you wanna add menu item right here. So click this button and then under the link, you want to click and then you want to go to pages and you want to find the About Us page. So click it. And once you do, you will notice that the name of the page automatically got transferred here. And now there's a name for this page. So you just simply add, and then you want to drop it whatever you want. So let's say I wanted to have it right above contact. So then I click save. And then just to give it a try, we're going to click on this I button next to online store, which is going to open up our store, and we will see the About Us page right here in the top menu. If I click it, we're super cool. So this is how you add an About Us page in Shopify. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and thank you so much for watching.